Nutrition Basics for Beginners. Discover essential nutrition basics for beginners after 40 with our comprehensive guide. Learn about changing nutritional needs, key nutrients, meal planning strategies, and practical tips for healthier eating. Entering your 40s marks a significant transition in how your body processes nutrients. Many adults find themselves confused about changing nutritional needs during this phase of life. If you've noticed your metabolism isn't what it used to be, or you're concerned about maintaining your health as you age, you're not alone. This guide will walk you through the essential nutrition basics for beginners after 40, with practical strategies you can implement today. Why your nutritional needs change after 40. As you cross the threshold into your 40s, your body undergoes several physiological changes that directly impact your nutritional requirements. Understanding these changes is the first step toward adapting your eating habits effectively. Metabolism slowdown. Starting around age 40, your metabolism naturally slows by approximately 5% each decade. This means your body burns fewer calories at rest than it did in your 30s. Many people find they can no longer eat the same quantities of food without gaining weight, even if their activity levels remain unchanged. Hormonal shifts. For women, perimenopause can begin in the early 40s, bringing fluctuations in estrogen and progesterone that affect how the body processes nutrients. Men experience gradual testosterone decline, which can impact muscle mass and fat distribution. These hormonal changes influence everything from calcium absorption to how your body stores fat. Muscle mass decline. After 40, you naturally lose about 3 to 8% of your muscle mass per decade, a condition called sarcopenia. Since muscle tissue burns more calories than fat tissue, this loss further contributes to metabolism slowdown. Maintaining muscle becomes increasingly important, both for metabolic health and physical strength as you age. Key takeaway: your body at 40 plus requires different nutritional support than it did in earlier decades. These natural changes don't mean you're doomed to weight gain or health issues. They simply signal the need for a nutrition approach tailored to your current physiology. Essential macronutrient adjustments. Macronutrients, protein, carbohydrates, and fats form the foundation of your diet. After 40, the balance and quality of these nutrients become even more crucial for maintaining health and energy. Protein, your body's building blocks. Adequate protein intake becomes increasingly important after 40 to combat age-related muscle loss. Research suggests adults over 40 may need more protein than younger adults to maintain muscle mass. Daily requirement: aim for 0.5 to 0.7 grams of protein per pound of body weight. Higher if you're very active. Timing matters. Distribute protein intake throughout the day rather than consuming it all at once for optimal muscle maintenance. Quality sources: lean meats, fish, eggs, dairy, legumes, and plant-based proteins like tofu and tempeh. Carbohydrates. Choose wisely. While low-carb diets are popular, carbohydrates remain an important energy source. The key after 40 is selecting the right types and amounts of carbs to support your health without promoting weight gain. Complex carbohydrates to embrace: whole grains, oats, quinoa, brown rice, legumes, beans, lentils, chickpeas, starchy vegetables, sweet potatoes, squash, fruits with edible skins, apples, berries. Simple carbohydrates to limit: refined grains, white bread, pasta, sugary beverages and desserts, processed snack foods, alcohol, which converts to sugar. Healthy fats. Essential for hormone balance, dietary fat plays a crucial role in hormone production, particularly important during the hormonal shifts of your 40s. Focus on incorporating healthy fats while limiting saturated and trans fats. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, flax seeds, and walnuts, help reduce inflammation and support brain health. Monounsaturated fats, abundant in olive oil, avocados, and nuts, support heart health and help maintain healthy cholesterol levels. Key micronutrients for adults over 40. As you age, certain vitamins and minerals become increasingly important for maintaining optimal health. Pay special attention to these key micronutrients after 40. Calcium. Bone density naturally decreases after 40, making calcium intake crucial. Women need 1,000 to 1,200 milligrams daily, while men require about 1,000 milligrams. Dairy products: yogurt, milk, cheese, fortified plant milks, leafy greens, kale, collards, sardines with bones, vitamin D, essential for calcium absorption and immune function. After 40, your skin becomes less efficient at producing vitamin D from sunlight. Fatty fish, salmon, tuna, egg yolks, fortified foods, moderate sun exposure. B vitamins, B12 absorption decreases with age, while B6 and folate support heart health and cognitive function. B12, animal products, fortified foods. B6, poultry, fish, chickpeas. Folate, leafy greens, legumes. Other important micronutrients. Magnesium supports muscle and nerve function, blood sugar regulation, and bone health. Found in nuts, seeds, whole grains, and leafy greens. Many adults are deficient in this crucial mineral. Potassium helps maintain healthy blood pressure and counteracts some of sodium's effects. Abundant in bananas, potatoes, avocados, and leafy greens. After 40, your body becomes less efficient at absorbing certain nutrients, making your food choices more important than ever. Focus on nutrient density rather than calorie counting. Nutrition science consensus, practical meal planning strategies. Creating a sustainable eating pattern is more effective than following strict diets. These practical strategies can help you implement nutrition basics for beginners after 40 without feeling overwhelmed. The plate method. One of the simplest ways to ensure balanced nutrition is to visualize your plate divided into sections. Half plate, non-starchy vegetables. Colorful vegetables provide fiber, vitamins, and minerals with minimal calories. Aim for variety in color and preparation methods. Quarter plate, lean protein. Include a palm-sized portion of quality protein with each meal to support muscle maintenance and satiety. Quarter plate, complex carbs. Choose whole grains or starchy vegetables in appropriate portions to provide sustained energy. Portion control strategies. After 40, your calorie needs typically decrease, making portion awareness essential. Try these practical approaches. Hand measurements. Use your palm for protein portions, cupped hand for carbs, thumb for fats, and open hand for vegetables. Pre-portion snacks. Divide larger packages into single servings to prevent mindless overeating. Use smaller plates. A 9-inch plate naturally limits portions while still appearing full. Eat mindfully. Slow down, eliminate distractions, and pay attention to hunger and fullness cues. Beginner-friendly meal prep tips. Start small with just 2 to 3 days of prepared meals. Batch cook versatile proteins, grilled chicken, hard-boiled eggs. Prepare portable snacks, cut vegetables, portion nuts. Use the cook once, eat twice approach. Common nutritional challenges and solutions. Even with the best intentions, real-life circumstances can make healthy eating difficult. Here are practical solutions to common challenges faced by adults over 40. Time constraints. Balancing work, family, and other responsibilities often leaves little time for meal preparation. Solutions. Embrace simple meals with few ingredients. Utilize time-saving appliances, slow cooker, pressure cooker. Keep a list of healthy 15-minute meal ideas. Prep ingredients on weekends. Wash, chop, portion. Cooking for family. Preparing meals that satisfy your nutritional needs while pleasing family members with different preferences. Solutions. Create, build your own meals. Taco bars, grain bowls. Make modular meals with a common base. Gradually adjust family favorites to be healthier. Involve family members in meal planning. Eating out. Restaurant meals and social dining often present challenges to healthy eating intentions. Solutions. Review menus before arriving. Ask for dressings and sauces on the side. Choose grilled, baked, or steamed preparations. Practice the plate method even when dining out. Overcoming emotional eating. Many adults find that stress, boredom, or emotional triggers lead to unhealthy eating patterns, particularly after 40 when life stressors may increase. Identify triggers. Keep a food journal, noting not just what you eat, but when and how you feel. Create alternative responses. Develop a list of non-food activities to address emotional needs. Short walk, calling a friend. Practice mindful eating. Eat without distractions and check in with your hunger levels throughout meals. Be compassionate. Occasional emotional eating happens. Focus on progress, not perfection. Sample one-day meal plan. Here's a practical example of how to implement nutrition basics for beginners after 40. This meal plan provides approximately 1,600 to 1,800 calories with balanced macronutrients and rich micronutrient content. Meal Foods Nutrition benefits: breakfast Greek yogurt 3/4 cup topped with berries, 1/2 cup, walnuts 1 tablespoon, and a drizzle of honey, green tea or coffee. Protein from muscle maintenance, calcium for bone health, antioxidants from berries, omega-3s from walnuts. Mid-morning snack, apple slices with 1 tablespoon almond butter. Fiber, healthy fats, steady energy release, vitamin E. Lunch Mediterranean bowl, 2 cups mixed greens, 1/2 cup quinoa, 3 ounces grilled chicken, cherry tomatoes. Cucumber, 1/4 avocado, olive oil and lemon dressing. Complete protein, fiber, healthy fats, wide range of vitamins and minerals. Afternoon snack, 1/4 cup hummus with bell pepper strips and carrot sticks. Plant protein, fiber, vitamin A, vitamin C. Dinner, 4-ounce baked salmon with lemon and herbs. 1 cup roasted Brussels sprouts with olive oil, 1/2 cup sweet potato. Omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, fiber, potassium. Antioxidants, evening optional. Herbal tea with a small square of dark chocolate, 70% plus cacao. Antioxidants, magnesium, mindful indulgence. Customization note. This meal plan serves as a template. Adjust portions based on your specific calorie needs, activity level, and health goals. If you have specific health conditions like diabetes or heart disease, consult with a healthcare provider for personalized recommendations. Hydration, the often overlooked nutrient. Proper hydration becomes increasingly important after 40, as your body's thirst signals may become less reliable and your kidneys may not concentrate urine as efficiently as before. Why hydration matters after 40: supports metabolism and digestion, helps maintain cognitive function, promotes healthy skin elasticity, assists in temperature regulation, facilitates nutrient transport, supports kidney function. Practical hydration tips. Most adults over 40 should aim for about 8 to 10 cups, 64 to 80 ounces of fluid daily. With adjustments for activity level, climate, and individual health needs, start early. Drink a full glass of water upon waking to rehydrate after sleep. Use visual cues. Keep a water bottle visible at your desk or in your car. Set reminders. Use smartphone alerts or associate drinking water with regular activities. Enhance flavor naturally. Add cucumber, berries, citrus, or herbs to water for variety. Monitor urine color. Aim for pale yellow as an indicator of good hydration. Count all fluids, herbal tea, broth, and water-rich foods like fruits and vegetables contribute to hydration. Caution: while coffee and tea provide some hydration, beverages containing alcohol, excessive caffeine, or added sugars can contribute to dehydration and should not be counted toward your daily fluid goals. Lifestyle integration for sustainable, healthy eating. Creating lasting change requires integrating new eating habits into your lifestyle in a way that feels sustainable rather than restrictive. The 80-20 approach. Rather than aiming for nutritional perfection, which often leads to frustration and abandonment, consider adopting the 80-20 principle. Focus on nutritious whole foods about 80% of the time, allowing flexibility for less optimal choices the remaining 20%. It's what you do most of the time, not some of the time, that impacts your health. Consistency trumps perfection when it comes to nutrition after 40. Practical integration strategies. Start with one meal. Focus on improving breakfast first, then gradually extend to other meals. Make environmental adjustments. Keep nutritious foods visible and convenient. Store less healthy options out of sight. Plan for social situations. Develop strategies for restaurants, parties, and travel that allow flexibility while maintaining your overall approach. Build a support system. Share your nutrition goals with family or friends who can provide encouragement. Track progress meaningfully. Focus on energy levels, sleep quality, and how clothes fit, rather than just the scale. Mindset matters. Your relationship with food is just as important as what you eat. After 40, many people benefit from shifting away from restrictive thinking toward a more positive, nourishment-focused approach. Less helpful mindsets. All or nothing thinking, using food as reward or punishment, focusing solely on weight, comparing to younger self or others. More helpful mindsets. Viewing food as nourishment and fuel, practicing self-compassion after setbacks, celebrating non-scale victories, appreciating what your body can do. When to seek professional guidance. While many adults can successfully implement nutrition basics for beginners after 40 on their own, certain situations warrant professional support. Consider consulting a registered dietitian when you have a chronic condition like diabetes, heart disease, or kidney disease. You're experiencing unexplained weight changes or extreme fatigue. You have food allergies or intolerances requiring specialized planning. You've tried multiple approaches without success. You take medications that interact with certain foods. You have a history of disordered eating. Medical consultation may be needed if you experience persistent digestive issues despite dietary changes. You have symptoms like unusual thirst, frequent urination, or extreme fatigue. You suspect hormonal imbalances affecting your metabolism. You have a family history of conditions that may require early screening. Finding qualified help. Embracing your nutritional journey after 40. Nutrition after 40 isn't about following restrictive diets or achieving a certain body size. It's about nourishing your body to support health, energy, and longevity. The nutrition basics for beginners after 40, outlined in this guide, provide a foundation you can personalize to fit your unique needs and preferences.